Hi, today we're gonna learn Morse code. First, we have to learn how each letter falls on this chart that we're gonna create and what each letter represents in dots and dashes. So let's start creating the chart. So on this side we have da, and this side dit. Dit means dot, da means dash. Hopefully when we finish this chart you'll be able to decipher this word right here. Notice I left spacing so you could tell where the letter begins and it ends. So let's start. First we're gonna have two different arrows. One is gonna lead to T, the other one E. From that we're gonna have M and N. From this one we're gonna have A and I. Next, from the M we have O and G. From the N we have K and D. Whoops. From the A we have W and R. And then from the I we have U and S. Furthermore, from the O we have the short dash and a period. From the G we have two letters, and that's Q and Z or Z. From K we have Y and C. From D we have X and B. From W we have J and P. From R we just have L. From U we have the underscore or the long dash and F. From S we have the final two letters, which are V and H. So how does this chart work? We're gonna start here with nothing. If we move along the line this way, we're gonna write a dash. So a T would be just one dash, and an E would be just a dot. So if I were to write a word with an E, the symbol is just gonna be a dot. The T is gonna be a dash. How about M? Dash, dash. So every time we go to the left, it's gonna be a dash. Every time we go to the right, it's going to be a dot. So M is one dash, two dashes. So if I want to spell met, we can spell it this way. M-E-T. I left a big space so you can tell where each letter begins and ends, so you don't mix them up. You could also use numbers. I will not add numbers just yet, so as to not to confuse you. So let's take the letter N. It's going to be a dash, and then we're moving to the right, so that's a dot. So to write the letter N, we need a dash and then a dot. So this is met,